Heyo, fellow Legonians, fellow adult Lego enthusiasts, A Falls, T Falls, K Falls, Y Falls, fellow Brick fans, and fellow YouTubers of the viewing audience. This is Dave Frost One reporting in once again with my next Lego set review, which is the ice cream truck. A pretty cool set, that's for sure. 200 pieces and 2 minifigures. First, we have the skater, who has a helmet and hairpiece, and a dog, and an ice cream cone. And only torso printing, no leg printing. So this is a cool van or truck. Quite a bit of stickers, as there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And like all ice cream vans, gotta mind that child. That's a pretty cool sticker I got, I'd definitely say. The other minifigure is a female hostess who serves up the ice cream. And there are some fun features on this vehicle, like some reason it doesn't want to open. There we go. Opening window on this side. And then this opens all the way, so you have easier access inside. And you can tell there's quite a bit of ice cream, like orange sherbet, vanilla, in the triple decker layer serving. And then in the single serve, vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and 1 serving of mint. And then a light green and a blue popsicles. And there's also a register and money, which makes sense for this vehicle, for this place of business. And apparently there's no mint on the menu, but that's okay. I added it just because I wanted there to be some mint flavor. And then there's a sticker on the inside for the control panel, like the speedometer. And I think Lego probably could have put the register and money in the back and have a bit of a walkway from the driver's seat to the back of the truck, as it would just be easier for the driver hostess lady to be able to just walk on through without any problems. But the fun is that it's for us bigger characters, our huge minifig forms, to just take it and put her in the back. That's the fun of the set. But anyways, I thank you all so very much for watching. Please stick around for more great LEGO and Transformer related content coming to the future of this channel, as well as upcoming LEGO set reviews. And don't forget to mind that child. I will see you all next time. Don't forget to hang loose, and so long.